2080 partial exam, Tiruvan University, bachelor level, 4 years program, education, B.Ed first year, general English, English education 411, question paper, full marks 100, time 3 hours. There are 3 groups. Group A contains 20 marks, Group B contains 56 marks, and Group C contains 24 marks. Group A. Tick the best answer. Attempt all the questions. Question number 1. Which of the following sentence is not correct regarding the indirect speech? A. She said that she was going to the store. B. He asked if he had finished my homework. C. They wondered where our meeting was held. D. She says that she will arrive late yesterday. Question number 2. Which of the following verbs has a similar meaning to assist? A. Ignore. B. Delay. C. Help. D. Confuse. Question number 3. The word education in English is derived from the language. A. French. B. Roman. C. Greek. D. Latin. Question number 4. The quality of being unified, organized and meaningful of text so as to help readers understand the message is called A. Unity. B. Cohesion. C. Coherence. D. Precision. Question number 5. Which of the following sentences correctly expresses an apology? A. Thank you for your help. B. Let's meet tomorrow. C. I am sorry for being late. D. I think you are mistaken. Question number 6. Which of the following sentences has an adjective? A. Ram has been teaching English. B. His teaching was incredible. C. Pranisha teaches very clearly. D. I learn many things from his classroom. Question number 7. Which of the following is not advisable in academic writing? A. Using formal and precise language. B. Citing sources to support arguments. C. Following a logical structure. D. Incorporating personal opinions without evidence. Question number 8. Which of the following sentence is correct regarding the use of the causative verb? A. She made him to finish the report. B. They had their car washed yesterday. C. I will have them repair the broken fence. D. He let me to use his computer. Question number 9. In writing or speech, ellipses refer to A. An omission of a word group of words from a sentence. B. An insertion of an item or items in a sentence. C. The replacement of one word by the others in a sentence. D. An interchange of a word group of words in a sentence. Question number 10. Which of the following preposition best fits in the sentence? The cat jumped the roof. A. Into. B. Over. C. Across. D. Onto. B. Read the following passage and tick the best answer. Question number 11. What does Dick Gregory think about using comedy to solve his family's money problem? A. It is a good way to handle the problem. B. It is not effective in solving the problem. C. It is the only solution available. D. It is a temporary fix that eventually works. Question number 12. Which of the following is true as it is discussed in the text? A. Dick Gregory believes that Lothar can provide his family with clothing. B. Dick believes that having a family is less important than having laughter. C. When someone is insecure in family, then there is no meaning of laughing. D. Laughter can do anything to bring changes in family life. Question number 13. What does the word distressed most likely mean in the text? A. Happy. B. Relaxed. C. Confident. D. Upset. Question number 14. Dick Gregory feels that laughter is in dealing with his family's financial issues. A. Ineffective. B. Beneficial. C. Helpful. D. Secure. Question number 15. How does Dick feel when his friends' families accept him? A. Indifferent. B. Angry. C. Sad. D. Overjoyed. Question number 16. Dick is when someone makes him more apprehensive about his family. A. Amused. B. Demotivated. C. Relieved. D. Distressed. Question number 17. In the context of text, what does apprehensive mean? A. Fitful. B. Cheerful. C. Faithful. D. Stressful. Question number 18. What is the main message conveyed in the text? A. Language can solve all problems. B. Comedy is a good way to deal with serious issues. C. Laughter cannot address serious problem like financial distress. D. Financial problem are best solved through laughter. Question number 19. Which of the following is not true about Dick's family? A. Dick's family frequently sits down and eats together. B. Dick's family is suffering a lot from hunger. C. Dick's family is not economically strong. D. Laughter cannot buy food for Dick's family. Question number 20. Which title best summarizes the text? A. The joy of family gathering. B. Laughter and its benefits. C. Overcoming financial hardships with humor. D. The ineffectiveness of comedy in serious situations. Attempt all the questions. Group B. Marks 8 into 7 equal to 56. Question number 1. Complete the given sentence using appropriate forms as indicated in brackets. A. By the time you arrive, I in bracket finish cooking dinner. Use the correct form of the verb. B. If I know about the traffic, I would have left earlier. Use the correct verb form. C. She loves reading novels. Question mark. Add the appropriate tag question. D. The team is are going to championship game next week. Choose the appropriate verb considering the subject. E. The cat jumped the table and onto the chair. Supply the appropriate preposition. F. The book right by the famous author last year. Choose the appropriate passive form. G. She is incorrect innocent girl of this class. Use the appropriate article. Question number 2. Make sentence by putting the words in the correct order. A. Prosperity slash determine slash its slash measure slash of slash education slash a slash system slash is slash on slash of. B. By slash inclusive slash should slash its slash citizens slash country slash empower slash a slash system slash education slash introducing. C. In slash for slash to slash participate slash people slash a slash mainstream slash all slash essential slash politics slash national slash it slash is slash of slash n slash country slash create slash in slash development slash situation. D. To slash reformulate slash the slash pressure slash is slash enormous slash policies slash educational slash make slash is slash the slash government slash civil slash on slash society slash on slash n slash well slash is. Similarly, E. Ensure, could, individual, pedagogy, that, multi-voice, difficulty, make, address, comfortable, everybody feels. F. International, issues, on, been, have, the, agencies, working, concern, authority, end. G. Inclusion, measure, issue, a, decision, become, now, in, making, all kinds of, has. Or question. Match the following terms in the correct definition. In left side, 1. Psychology, 2. Holistic, 3. Turmoil, 4. Intuition, 5. Potential, 6. Humanitarian, 7. Pedagogy. Right side, A. A state of great anxiety and confusion. B. Concern with reducing suffering of people. C. The scientific study of the mind and behavior. D. Science of teaching learning. E. An approach or perspective aiming to achieve balances by addressing all aspects of a person. F. Ability to know something by feeling rather than facts. G. Is that can develop into something or be developed in the future. Question number 3. Look at the example below and rewrite the following sentences using more formal English. Example: I wanna go to the mall this weekend. I would like to go to the mall this weekend. A. She's gonna start the project next week. B. Can you give me a hand with this? C. We gotta finish this before noon. D. She is kinda busy right now. E. They wanna know if you are coming. F. He messed up the presentation. G. I am cool with that plan. Question number 4. Point out at least 7 errors in the text below and edit the text where necessary. Read carefully and correct. Our question: look at the words given in the box below. Put them into pairs considering the similarity in meaning. The words show the variation in British and American accents. Evaluator, flat, payment, vacation, rubbish, candy, sidewalk, sugar, sweets, apartment, trash, football, holiday, lift. Question number 5. Write the answer to any two of the following questions in brief. A. Write the reasons for which Imre Kertész was awarded the Nobel Prize. B. What is the focus of evolutionary psychology? C. Why does Osho think journals and periodicals are more important than books? Question number 6. Write a brief account of a journey to a new place that you have made recently in about 200 words. Question number 7. Write a couple of paragraphs on gender-based discrimination in Nepal. Question number 8. Read the following text and answer the question asked below. A. What does the term diaspora refer to in its modern sense? B. How has the meaning of diaspora changed in the contemporary phase? C. Why do postmodern conceptualization of diaspora move away from portraying them as victims? D. What are the 4 historical phases of diaspora mentioned in the text? E. How does the text describe the previous assumption about the relationship between diasporas and host societies? F. What does the term authentic mean in the context of postmodern concept of diaspora? G. Why was diasporas not considered homogeneous elements according to the text? Or question: put the sentence in the order of the events that took place in the story. The gift of the Magi. A. Dilla shops for Jim's Christmas present. B. Jim sees Dilla's haircut. C. Dilla gives Jim his Christmas present. D. Dilla decides to sell her hair. E. Jim gives Dilla the combs. F. Dilla buys a watch chain for Jim. G. Jim arrives home from work. Group C. Marks 2 into 12 equal to 24. Question number 9. It is said that education empowers people for personality development. However, still we are facing problems about making education system practical and value-based. So, critically examine the role of education for individual and community development and suggest some ways of making education practical in life. Or question: write a letter to one of your friends of a foreign country describing the characteristics of Nepalese society from Marxist point of view. Question number 10. Write an essay on war never brings good, based on the message that you have received from the poems before the battle and later from foreign grab. बीएड फर्स्ट इयरदेखि फोर्थ इयरसम्मका जुनसुकै विषयका प्रश्नपत्र चाहिएमा वी लर्न टुगेदर वान एमको प्लेलिस्ट बीएड मेटेरियल एन्ड क्वेसन पेपरमा गई खोज्नुहोला र ती क्वेसनहरूको हेल्पले प्रिपरेसन राम्रो गरी इक्जामको प्रिपरेसन राम्रो गर्नुहोला। वी लर्न टुगेदर वान एमभित्रका सम्पूर्ण भिडियोलाई लाइक कमेन्ट सब्सक्राइब र सेयर गरिराख्दै जानुहोला।